Isang sikat na Japanese author at writer, sinama ang SB19 sa kanyang pag-aaral para sa isang libro. Isang Japanese writer at author gumawa ng libro na si Wataru Kusaka, isang ethnographer at political scientist na gumawa at nag-specialize ng Philippine Studies at Politics. Sinama din niya sa kanyang libro ang Philippine culture, especially pop culture. Special sa puso ni Wataru ang Pilipinas, kaya naman sinama niya sa kanyang libro, specialized by Philippine Studies, kultura ng Pilipino, tradisyon at pop culture, na mention niya ang SB19 sa kanyang libro. Pinag-aralan din ni Wataru ang politika sa Pilipinas, kung anong klaseng politika ang mayroon tayo, lalo na ang complexities ng Philippine politics natin. Sa kanyang libro, gumamit si Wataru ng The Outcome of the Gamble and reference the allure of strong leaders. Sa kanyang pop culture na pag-aaral, sinama niya o ginawang example o minention ang P-pop king, ang SB19. SB19 envision a new life while embracing, rather than excluding the negative elements. Maging proud tayo mga Pilipino, lalo na ang 18, dahil ang ating SB19 na mention at ginawang example ni Wataru sa kanyang studies para maging libro, at sinama niya talaga ang ating pop culture, Philippine politics at iba pa. Kaya naman, maraming salamat Wataru. Arigato! Narito pa ang ibang detalye.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.